What's up, guys? So today we are in the Great North Mountain area in the George Washington National Forest, and today we're going to be hiking up to Tibbet Knob. So we are in the Wolf Gap Recreation Area, parking area. So Big Schloss is up that way and Tibbet Knob is up that way. So this hike will be about a full mile hike. We'll be gaining about maybe 800 feet or so. This hike is also known as like the sister hike to Big Schloss. Big Schloss is like the more popular hike, but Tibbet Knob is the other hike that's like right next to it. So we're gonna do that today. Temperatures is actually really quite cool. It's like actually in like the mid 50s right now, and it was actually rain earlier, but that went away, so that was good. So it should get up, the water's supposed to get up to the about the low 70s and maybe probably cloudy skies. It might clear up when we get to the top, but right now it is cloudy. So yeah, we'll get started pretty soon. We're about like 50 yards in the hike, and there's a nice campsite right there. And Tibbet Knob Trail is blazed in yellow. And so far it's been a pretty flat hike, but it's gonna gain elevation at some point. I feel like Mountain Laurel has become a theme for 2020 hikes. Because the past 3 hikes I've been on, we've seen Mountain Laurel in full bloom. I think we're starting to reach the top of the first knob, and then we'll be going to a swing, and then make the final stretch up to the top of Tibbet Knob. First overlook of the day. So, let me see if I can point out some stuff to you guys. So, that right there is Edinburgh Gap. I think the town below that is Woodstock. Beyond that, you can see the mountains of Shenandoah National Park. Here's a much better view of the Shenandoah Valley. Little Schloss is right there. Massive Mountains right there. Beyond that, Shenandoah National Park. This is a beautiful view. So you can actually see Tibbet Knob, which is right there. You have to get up all the way up to that. That should be a fun climb. I'm really liking this trail. I like the blend of the Mountain Laurel and the rocks on the trail and off the trail. I think it's really nice. There's a little trail that goes up to an overlook over there. Let's go check it out. This could be our second overlook of the day. Whoa! Wow. See more of the Shenandoah Valley. Hi, Mom.
Am I being recorded?
Yes, you are being recorded.
Oh boy.
Mom is wearing her mask because it's cold, which I understand. Not because there's people around, just because it's cold. Just been fields of Mountain Laurel. Man, this is beautiful. We're now starting the steep ascent up to the top of Tibbet Knob. So I think there's a couple of rock scrambles, I think. I didn't hear them as being hard. Not as bad as Old Rag or Stricter Knob or Little Schloss even. So here's the first switchback of the trail. And it looks like there's a trail that goes up here. I think people have done that because they want a shortcut. The switchback, which is right here, that was something you probably shouldn't be doing when you're hiking on a trail, because that can cause erosion. So make sure you're not being like these people and using this trail. Just go up the switchback. Oh, got a campsite here. This would be a nice spot for a campsite. Okay, so we come upon our first rock scramble. That's extremely steep. Holy crap. Beautiful rock formations here. Wow. Oh, got a second rock scramble. Okay. Oh, these are really cool rock formations. There it is. Holy moly. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh, we made it. Made it to the top. That right there is Big Schloss. The mountain over there is Halfmoon Mountain. I think this is Long Mountain over here. And this is the Trout River Valley. Wow. So this is the overlook. Lots of cliffs around. There's a campsite back there we're going to check out a little later. But this is definitely a cool view. Okay, so here's the campsite. Whoa, this is really nice. Okay, this is actually really nice. That is quite the campsite. Yeah. And then the Tibbet Knob trail continues probably another half-mile or so to a forest road. If you want to climb up Tibbet Knob the easier way, go up that way. So we're gonna head back down, back the way we came. So yay! I have to get back down those rock scrambles. That's not gonna be fun. All right, so we're really close to the parking lot. So overall, a really good hike. Other than those 2 rock scrambles, it was actually a pretty easy hike. Definitely recommend. Views are really good. Of course, Big Schloss is always the better one, but if you are looking for a hike next to Big Schloss, this is definitely a good one to do. It's only about 4 miles, so it's really short. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.